Welcome to all of you and welcome back to my YouTube channel and hello everyone. This is me, Gul Mohammed, and today we will discuss about the past paper of BS Nursing 2025 for admission in SMBBMU areeja main campus for the BS Nursing. And this video will be very helpful for all of students who are preparing for the BS nursing admission test, so make sure you watch it till the end. Okay, and if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, so yet please subscribe now and like this and share my videos and it with your friends and relative who are preparing for the nursing admission. So without wasting any time, let's start today's video. Okay. Question number one, which structure connect the pituitary gland to the hypothalamus? So corpus calcium is not, and infundibulum it is a correct answer. Infundibulum is connect between the pituitary gland to the hypothalamus. Okay. And which of the following is not a function of the smooth endoplasm reticulum? So lipid synthesis is the function of the smooth endoplasm reticulum. Detoxification is the function of the smooth endoplasm reticulum, and calcium storage is the one of the main function of the smooth endoplasm reticulum. But protein synthesis, option number D, is the important function of the rough endoplasm reticulum, but doesn't the function of the smooth endoplasm reticulum. So, in which correct option of the question number 2 is a protein synthesis. So, protein synthesis is not a function of the smooth endoplasm reticulum, but it is a function of the rough endoplasm reticulum. Okay. Question number 3, the movement of the water through semi-permeable membrane from higher concentration toward the lower water potential, so higher towards lower. So what is this? In which correct option, option number A, diffusion, to transport, and osmosis or facilitate diffusion. So movement of the water through semi-permeable membrane from higher concentration towards the lower concentration, it means required for the uh, no any energy, so it is a osmosis. Okay. And now another question number 4, which hormone directly lower the blood glucose level? So now question number and A, glucagon, insulin, and option number 3, it means C, thyroxine, and D, insulin. So it is a insulin. Insulin is a directly lower the blood pressure, I mean blood glucose level. It is a set point, not in the normal position below. Okay. So which component of the blood is responsible for clot formation? So clot formation, it means platelets. Okay. So which component of the blood is responsible for clot formation? It is a platelets. Now another question number 6, which part of the nephron is impermeable to the water? So which part of the nephron is impermeable to the water? So impermeable to the water now, proximal convoluted tubule, no. Loop of Henle, descending lobe, no. Loop of Henle, ascending lobe is a correct option. So question number 6, which part of the nephron is impermeable to the water? So ascending limb. Okay, so descending limb and proximal convoluted tubule and collecting legs, not sorry, impermeable water, it is a loop of Henle, it is a ascending limb. Okay. Another question number 7, an human eye image is formed on the cornea, lens, retina, iris. So it is a retina it is a part of eye, and in which human eye image is formed. Okay. Which process occurs during the interface of the cell cycle? So chromosome separation, DNA replication and cytokinesis. And spindle formation. So it is a DNA replication is the process occur during the interphase of the cell cycle. Okay. Another, which vitamin deficiency causes night blindness? So vitamin B1, vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin D. So it is a C option, vitamin A, due to deficiency cause night blindness. Okay. So it means so vitamin B1 is a water soluble vitamin, not fat soluble, but vitamin A is fat soluble, and D. So B1 and C both are the water soluble vitamin, and vitamin A and vitamin D both are the vitamin fat soluble. Okay. So which enzyme break down protein in the stomach? So trypsin, so and pepsin, and amylase and lipase. So pepsin. Pepsin is an enzyme that break down the protein in the stomach. So main function of the pepsin. Option number B is correct. And 11 number, the site of the aerobic respiration in the eukaryotic cell. So main site of the aerobic respiration in eukaryotic cell. So it is a mitochondria. Aerobic respiration in eukaryotic cell, not cytoplasm and ribosomes and nucleus. So it is the main function of the aerobic respiration in eukaryotic cells known as mitochondria. Okay. Another, which structure prevent food from entering trachea? Glottis, epiglottis, pharynx, larynx. So which structure prevent food from the entering trachea toward in the epiglottis? So correct option is a B. Another 13, which blood vessels carries oxygenated blood from lungs to the heart? Okay. Which blood vessels carry oxygenated blood from lungs to heart? So pulmonary artery, another pulmonary vein, and vena cava and aorta. So C option, pulmonary vein. That carries oxygenated blood from lungs to the heart. Okay, and further move out different organs. Number 14, the functional unit of the nervous system is a nephron, axon, neuron, and dendrite. So, functional unit of nervous system, so is a neuron, not a nephron. So, nephron is a functional unit of the kidney. Okay. And number 15, which part of the brain control involuntary action? So cerebellum, medulla oblongata, and hypothalamus. So main function and brain control involuntary action. It is a main function of the involuntary brain function action is medulla oblongata. Okay. Another 16, which tissue connect muscles to bone, is a ligament, another cartilage, another tendon, aerosol tissue. So tendon disconnect muscles to bone, not bone to bone. So bone to bone muscles connect tissue, that is known as ligament, but muscles connect between the bone, that is known as tendon. So 16 number, so which correct option is C, tendon, not ligament. Another, which gas is transported by the hemoglobin? So which gas is transported by hemoglobin? Nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and oxygen, hydrogen. So C, oxygen is a gas that transported by hemoglobin. Okay, another 18, the main nitrogenous waste excreted by human: ammonia, urea, uric acid, and creatinine. So in which correct option is urea? Okay, the main nitrogenous waste excreted by human. Okay. And 19, which phase of the mitosis involve enlargement of chromosomes at equator. So prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. So metaphase, it is a phase of the mitosis involved in enlargement of the chromosomes at equator. Okay. Another 20, which structure control transcription in plants. So lenticels, cuticles, stomata, and xylem. So option number 20, the correct option is C, stomata. Okay, it is a control transcription in plant. Another which hormone regulate metabolic rate? Insulin, adrenaline, thyroxine, growth hormone. So main function metabolic rate control by the hormone that is known as thyroxine. Okay, that control the metabolic rate. Another which organ produce bile? So C option. Is correct that liver that bile produce. Okay. Another which component gives rigidity to plant cell wall? Cellulose, glycogen, chitin, pectin. 23. Okay. So, rigidity in plant cell wall is known as cellulose. Another, which layer of the skin contain sweat gland? So, which layer of the skin that connects sweat gland? So, it is a dermis. So, dermis is sweat gland that contain in the first layer of the skin that is known as dermis. Not another second layer of the skin is epidermis. Okay, so firstly, I say I clear which layer of the skin contains sweat gland. So dermis, it is the outer part of the skin that contain the sweat gland. Okay. Another, which process release energy stored in the glucose? So which process release energy stored in glucose? So it is a respiration. That process that contain glucose. Which part of the air maintains balance? 26. Which part of the air maintains balance? True. Cochlea, timonium, semicircular canal, and eustachian tube. So C option, semicircular canal. That present in air that maintains the balance part of the air. Okay. Another, which structure can connect the ovary to uterus? Okay. 27 says which structure that contain ovary to uterus? So cervix, ovary to uterus, cervix, vagina, and fallopian tube, and endometrium. So endometrium is between part and layer of the uterus, but not that connect between ovary to uterus. So fallopian tube that contain that connect between ovary to uterus. Okay, through the fallopian tube. That another 28. Which enzyme digests starch into maltose? Which enzyme digests starch into maltose? So it is a correct option. 28 is a amylase. Amylase is an enzyme that digests starch into maltose. Starch present in amylase. Okay, another which organ filters blood in human body? Liver, heart, kidney, and other lungs. So kidney and that organ that filter the blood in human body. So main function of the kidney that present in human body and pairs. Which blood group is universal donor? So universal donor, it is a main important question that was asked from STS in 2025 for BSc nursing. Okay, so O negative, the universal donor, and universal receiver, it is a AB. Another, which tissue lines internal organ and cavities? So It is a epithelial tissue. Another, which hormone is responsible for fight and flight? Adrenaline, insulin, thyroxine, and melatonin. So, adrenaline, the epinephrine, that hormone is responsible for fight and flight response generate. Another, which part of the plant transport water upward? So, phloem, cortex, xylem, and cambium. So 33, the correct option is C, xylem. Another, which structure contain genetic material? So genetic material, it is a genetic material that structure that contain a nucleus, not ribosome or mitochondria, and another lysosome. Another, which disease is caused by the lack of iodine? So goiter. Option number B is the correct. Another, which organ system control body coordination? So it is a basically nervous system that control the body coordination. Another, which chamber of the heart pump blood to lungs? Which chamber of heart pumps blood to the lungs? Right ventricle. So 38, option 37 is a D. Right ventricle is a chamber of the human heart, a lower part of the heart, okay, that move of the blood, that deoxygenated blood move to lungs for lungs to filter the blood, and further lungs move the blood toward the left atrium, and further left atrium move the blood into left ventricle, and further left ventricle move out through the aorta and to the heart, okay, and further uh, body blood circulate in different body parts. So now then 38, which is structured absorb digest food into intestine. So it is a option is a villi that absorb digest food into intestine. Another, which process forms gamete? Mitosis, meiosis, fertilization, and replication. So it is a meiosis. Another, which mineral is essential for hemoglobin formation? So which mineral is essential for hemoglobin formation is a main function that is known as iron, okay. So main essential minerals for formation of the hemoglobin. Okay guys, so if you are not subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe now and share and like this video and for further updates. Okay, thank you, best of luck.